Hey, it's me, Jessica, here, back with another video. Well, I messed up with the first. And let's get started. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. When I go alone, when I figure out something to do. When we figure out something to do, we probably will shovel snow alone. When I figure something out, then I'll probably dig with something. I could dig with the shovel. I can heat up with this and ordinary. Then I can also do this. And when we go alone, when we figure out something to do, when we find something out, and when we don't mess around. Someone said to dig someone's roof. Tiring. And now when we go, then we figure something out. Then if we write a card, then it would be a lot easier. Then I'll dig something up and then figure something out. Then if I find something to do, then it would be better and the best to do. Haha. But this is the end of the music video, so well, yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Well, it's pretty cool.